Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this Diagnostic World video. Now, if you're lucky enough to own a McLaren but unlucky enough to have a transmission fault with your McLaren, perhaps you've been maybe looking for a diagnostic tool that works on your McLaren to try and diagnose or reset this, then you've probably fallen short. There isn't a great deal out there at the time of making this video, and probably one of the only options has generally in the past been to take it to a specialist garage or a McLaren official main dealer workshop, which can involve maybe sometimes getting a trailer there, or indeed having to take it there and spend weeks without the vehicle. So this tool basically puts the power into your own hands, and it can allow you to diagnose all faults, including the transmission faults in your McLaren, with just a few touches on your own driveway, in your own garage, or wherever you kind of store your vehicle. So what I'll do is I'll just click onto, I've got it set up on the McLaren main page here, so we can look at all of the McLarens that it'll cover for the transmission faults. So anything from your 720s, your 540s, 570s, the Senna GDRs, 600s, you name it, it's going to cover everything. So I'm just going to choose something at random, and I'm going to go 650S, completely random, 2018 model. Click OK to that. And then if we click on to control unit, it's going to take us into a list of all of the systems that it can diagnose and sort of get information for. So you've got all of your main systems there, but if you look at this one here, PCCU, powertrain and chassis control, then this will allow you to diagnose the transmission system and any faults within that transmission system. So it's going to give you like unique fault codes. It'll give you a description of the fault. You can also look at live data from the transmission system. You can look at temperatures of the fluids in the transmission system, and of course give you the option to reset any fault codes if they are there, or once you've maybe done a repair, or change the sensor out, if you know exactly what you need to do, then this will allow you to basically put the vehicle back to full health and remove any of the warning lights that are associated with that fault on the dashboard. But it's a really good package because, as I say, McLaren owners over the years, they've had nothing, really nothing at all, and this kind of puts the power into their own hands. So it's been really popular so far. We haven't stocked it for long at the time of making this video, but we have gone through a few of them already to McLaren owners and a couple of workshops who are looking to deal with higher end cars like the McLaren. It also does higher end like Aston Martin. It does higher end Ferraris, and all of the other main makes and models it covers as well. But anyway, I'm going to leave that information with you, and I'm going to just pop this here. So I'll show you that the tool is available just by clicking the link in the description below this video. If you want, you can email us as well. You see the email right there. I'll also pop the email address in the description. Have a look at the listing. We do offer worldwide delivery, same day dispatch, free UK delivery, and everything else that comes in between. So please do give us a shout if you do need anything. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.